Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove folders and app screen in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to remove apps folders from your app screen, so let's see how can do that. You just have to unlock your phone and here just go to app screen. You have to look for the folder you want to remove. So you have two different ways. Very first you have to go to your folders and just fetch all the apps one by one out of your folder. Or the second way is that you have to keep a long press on your folder you want to remove. Click on this delete option. Click on delete. Now once I delete the folder, only this folder will be deleted. All your apps will be stay and available in your app screen. I'm gonna delete that. Now all my folders apps are moved to my app screen here. So in this way you can easily remove folders from your app screen in Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.